Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be giving you a room tour of a 1-bedroom villa over at the Beach Club. This is room number 129. I think it's just a standard. I'm not positive. I have no idea. It could be like a woods garden view. That's what we have as a woods garden view. So you start in with this nice large foyer. There is a connecting room here. I'm not sure what it connects to, but there is a connecting room. It's usually like a 2-bedroom lock-off, so that means like a studio. And you walk in, there's a nice little dining area. There's this cute little Mickey right here. And then it opens up into this large sitting kitchen dual area. There is no pull down. This is just, it sleeps 4 adults technically. So that is a pull out couch. And then, like I said, there's like this little sitting area. And then it goes out into this really beautiful, quiet, kind of garden woods view is what I believe the view is. Now you come back in. This is the kitchen. So it's got sink, dishwasher, stove, microwave, a lovely refrigerator. Now if you walk over, because this is the 1-bedroom, 1-bedrooms include a full kitchen obviously, and also a lovely washer dryer combo. Now next, walking in, this is the 1-bedroom. So there is a king-size bed here, a nice little desk, another second sitting area, and it is separate from that other sitting area over there. There's a little sitting chair and then some drawers and whatnot, and then this actually should, and then it does pull out. And there's me, hello. And then walking over here, there's this gorgeous kind of separated tub. And then there is a sink, me again, and a nice little walk-in closet. And in the walk-in closet, which is what I thought, there is a pack and play for kids, a vacuum, a safe, iron, sorry, a ironing table. That's new. I've never seen the cleaning bucket. So there's a cleaning bucket and then a laundry basket. There's also a rack for a suitcase if you want it. And then you can go into the shower. So this is the shower. It's really nice. Another little sink, and then a lock-off bathroom. So that is a 1-bedroom number 129 over at Beach Club Villas. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know, have you ever stayed at the Beach Club Villas? Are they your favorite? What is your favorite 1-bedroom if you've ever stayed at one? And if you haven't, where would you like to stay? And also, if you haven't already joined my Disney family, I would love for you to stick around. I hand out a lot of parenting and hanging out with kids over at Walt Disney World and also traveling. So if that kind of content interests you, I would love for you to stick around. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.